am so excited, and I just can't hide it. Cut. Hi, I'm Celeste Jackson. I'm a diamond coach with Beachbody. Welcome to Fit, Fine, and Fabulous, and that's Fine, F-Y-N-E, and we're all three of those things. I am so excited to share my journey with you. I've been a part of this organization now, these group of ladies and men, for about a year. We are a virtual accountability group, which means yep, you can catch us anytime, 24/7. We always have somebody on chatting all times, day and night, it seems. We're always available. Now, where can you go and get that for free? Mind you, free. Anytime, any day, we can do that. My weight loss journey started about a year ago. I was well over 200 pounds. I've lost 40 pounds and about 20 inches within a year. During that time, mind you, I had both my knees replaced, but that didn't stop me. I continued my journey. So I know if I can do it, you can do it. No excuses here. We all have something going on in our lives, but you know what? We can get it done when we make up our mind. Now, one thing that I truly love about this Fit, Fine, and Fabulous is that we have all the tools in place to help you reach your goal. All we need is you and your commitment. We pray for you. We have shared goals. We share our problems. We are a ministry. This is what we do, and we give it freely and lovingly. So I'm asking you to just give us a try. I'm sure you like us, and we're looking forward to seeing and hear from you real soon, because what's your excuse? We're here 24/7. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. Later.